Okay, so sige, mag-try tayo. Tahi. So I'm gonna do now is only the half size, but I already have the full size of the dress. So this is just to show you how to sew, how to assemble, stitch the dress that I made. Uh, yes, it is a kanang wedding guest dress worn by my nephew, niece, pag umangkon. Okay ba? Okay, cute. This is just to show to show you how to sew the dress. So, in ni siya. First, we're going to connect the, no, this is not, this is the lower part. So, this is not. So, this one is the, this is the inner, or the lining. You can change the color of it, like white, since this is a lining. So, this one, this is for the lining. All you have to do is to connect this, that side, the side of the bust. I didn't put a kuan man di ay line here. Ana siya. Okay. The other one also. Dapat na siya notch dire to determine the center. So you should put a notch on the center, okay? And pin them together. Ana siya. Okay? I forgot to video my kuan di ay, my original dress. The original one. Forgot to video because I'm on a hurry doing a dress for 2 days. 2 days before the wedding. So, kanya lang ato. Nga, ipini mo silang duha. The center front, this one here, this is the center. The side, pina ni mo, and then tahion, you have to sew this. And also, the other one, I have a pair, ani. Why is it missing? The pair, here. So, this is the outer bust, this one. This is the form. And then you have to sew the center, ni siya. Okay, and then also, you have to, connect sa nas, yes. First, let's sew this one. The outer, the eye. Tesa. Why kagubot? So, na siya gather. And adjust na lang later. I adjust na siya later. So, next procedure is to connect the neckline. Okay? The neckline. Ana siya. So, first, the center, para siya tupong. Lingog-ngog kayo ka ba? Na. Connect the neckline. Okay? Siya connect the neckline. So, this one here. Ana. Okay? Ay, ka-cute niya ay. That, imong sa siyang i-clip dire on the center. Clip to the nearest kuan ni siya. Singan ani. Thread. But do not cut the thread ha. Do not cut through the thread. Di ay. Ana siya. Trim sa di trim. Then, singan ni. Understitched. Ana siya. Sa yang lining. Ano siya lining? So, you have to stitch here on the lining. 1/16. This one. And after that, i-pull na ni mo yung thread, ana, para matupong siya dire. Align siya sa kuan. Okay, I have to do it again. So, ana siya. Ana, okay? Okay, guys. Ana siya, stitch sa lower, stitch na. So, next thing to do is to, ka-cute ba ni? Lower, where's my lower? I think this is the one. And the side, where are you? Mira. So, this is the center. na siya. So you have to connect also the side na sad. So this is the lower front, this is siya. Ano na lang siya. This is the lower front na. So the lower front doesn't have a lining because I'm not doing a full lining here, just the bust and the skirt. Yes, but if your fabric naman, if you don't like lining also, you can eliminate the skirt just to make sure that your kanang skirt is kanang dili siya kuan transparent pa. Okay, so this one for my pattern, it has a lining on the skirt. Okay, so the side, because kanang summer diri sa amoa, so this is not a full lining. Kina. Okay, so mo na siya. I-connect na po din mo ning side. The lower front, connect them. Na siya. Okay. Oh, na pa ba? Okay. So I just kanang attach the side seam. So now we have to attach the two part of the front. This one. So hold on. Dapat ihang seam di ay before I forget, no? Ako siyang ibutangan og top stitch. Okay? And your seam di ay also on this one. The seam on this one should be facing on the center. Okay? Kani siya, wa man siya face on center. It should be facing on the center. Something like this. Ana. Not like this. Okay. I mean the seam for this one should be facing on the center. Ana. Okay, so this one is kanang sayop. This is wrong. I mean the seam is wrong. This one here. Okay. And also top stitch the seam. Na siya. So you should put a stitch here, and stitch here. So that's it. There? You didn't put, yes, okay. So now it's time to attach these two, to join these two parts. Starting from the center. This one. Na siya. And tupong lang ning seam to seam. Nga. Okay. Nga. And then the next here. Na. Okay. Then gotta stitch this one. Stitch here. Stitch. So, ano lang siya? So, this is the front. And then, mo na siyang overlock. Kani siya. I-overlock ko ni siya. Okay? Overlock. So, trim lang yun nato. Trim. Trim. So, next. So, mo naman ta diri. We're finished na sa front. Okay na ba? Pwede sa din mo siyang ikuan, understitch. Is that understitch or top stitch here? You can also top stitch this underbust, ano dire, part. Okay? Top stitch here. So this time I'm not gonna do that. But yes, I will recommend that. And you have to proceed on the back. So back na ta. Ako may kumara once di ay. Back. So for the back, all you need to do is for the back, if you need to kanang, okay, so for the back, first I stitch the kanang, this one, the elastic, like this one, stitch, na siya, with an allowance here, in seam, and then after that, fold this one, ana siya, fold the seam, ana, double fold, na siya, double fold, and i-fold ko rin yung kaning seam sa ilawom. Okay? Ana. So, stitch here also. Diri na sad siya. Okay? Fold also the seam inside. Okay? Na siya. Or you can overstitch here. I mean, not overstitch. And overlock the overlock here. Kani siyang edge. And then, kana siya. Tahiyon na rin mo directly kuan. Kanang sew this one. Sew this seam. Ana. Okay? Okay. Did you get it? Okay. This is for the back. Okay. So, ito na siya. So, now, mo na siyang i-attach dire. So, isa ha. Hindi ko man Yes. Kay ang iyaha day allowance is bigger. Let me see. So, dapat even ray ang allowance. Oh, yes. Here's the allowance di ay. So, ito siyang kuhaan. Kinako ra. The allowance is kuhaan. So, my allowance is half inch. Now, you have to attach, this is the, this one. Kaya ang atong zipper, the zipper is on the left side, something like this. So, zipper here. So, you have to close this part here. Okay. So, this part. Okay. This one. And next is the kuan. Singan ani. Sa skirt na ta. Okay, so for the skirt, so ano na siya? Naman ni siya kanang slit here. Where's the slit? Okay, here's the slit. So all you have to do is to attach the side on the center panel. Just like that. Yo, what happened to you? Okay. Okay. Kuan sa day stitch siya ha. Imo sa ni siyang i-overlap. Okay? So you must overlap the seam first. What happened to you, yo? Ano siya? So I'm gonna attach here. So this one has doesn't have any overlap. I didn't overlap the seam here. The seam of this kanang sample. This is just my sample. So, muna siyang tahion from here to up to the kanina i-notch diri. Ay muna ani siya kanang notch or muna siya itahko diri. So from here to here, this kuan here is this kuan. This is open, ana na siya. Kay slit ni siya. Okay, both have slit here. That's why open na siya. So your stitch will be starting here and will end here. Okay. Okay, for the slit. So, ano siya dapat naka-overlock yung duha and then so you're going to spread the seam here. Ano siya? Be? Basta kayo man siyang i-overlock dito, okay? Overlock the seam. And then spread this seam here. And then you have to put a stitch on the slit. Kani, itahion naman dito from the bottom up to the kani siyang slit, then down. Okay? Same on the other side. Na siya. Spread mo diha. So my seam will be like this. Wala na akong spread diri. I didn't spread the seam here. Just, kuan lang. Ano lang. Wala siyang na-cut diri. That's why I cut the other seam here to spread. Okay? Ana siya. Nga naman akong seam. So spread this one here. Ana. And then stitch. Or you can spread the whole seam. If you like. Okay? Okay, but ano to? Okay? And after that, muna siyang i-unfold. So this is the ana man siya. So ang atong zippers naman sa left side. So ang imong i-attach is kaning right side of the skirt, right side seam. Ano siya? Okay? So imo na siyang itahion. Tahion ay stitch. Okay, so you will do the same on the on the which kaning lining, skirt lining. But syempre, first you have to stitch the dart DI, okay? Don't forget to stitch the dart. Ano siya dart? This one here. The back skirt has a dart, so stitch first the dart. And also, there is a lining. The lining has a front dart also, so you have to stitch that. And on the back. There is a skirt. A skirt lagi di ay. So yung ani ni siya. So this is your skirt, this is the front, and this is your back. So for the kanang lining, ang imong i-attach is, for example, kani ang left side, okay? So you are going to attach you're going to sew or stitch the left. You're going to stitch the left side of the skirt. Kaya nga no, imo na siyang anaon. Oh. Na siyang baliktaron para ang iyahang dart is facing the kaninga dart pod. Ana siya. Ana, okay? So this is now your kuan, okay? So remember, ang imong tahion sa imuhang lining is the left side. This is the left side. So this is the back and this is the front. So, ang imong tahion is, this is the left side. Para, ana siya. Okay? And so, nanakay kuan, muna na imong skirt. So this is the skirt na. So all you have to do, imo na siyang going to pin the center here. Whatever you want to make for your kuan kaning imuhang singan side seam, pwede na nimong i-spread or basta kay don't forget overlock, spread or kanang overlap, both overlap together singan ana siya. So this is how I did with my kuan dress. Okay? Oh no, my skirt is my lining is too short. Okay, sabi naman na siya. So all you have to do is to stitch mo na here, para magstay si Ja. Kani si Ja. O kani silang duha, stitch also here or overlap na lang, okay? Para na stitcher or overlap. Let me see. Kung dili ba siya dako. Ana siya. Okay. So I still have allowance here, so no problem. But my skirt, my lining, why is it so short? Also, okay, never mind that. Basta yan na siya. Okay? So, okay, don't forget to lock this one also before attaching the kanang zipper, okay? Ano siya. So, after this, ano siya ako nag-attach. Next step, kanina sa dede. Because we're going to attach the zipper. So, you're going to sew the upper, dede, kutob dede mga, siguro mga 2 inches or 3 inches, okay? Dede, para zipper dede, ano siya. Okay, so naman ko, okay. So, ano siya? So, this is na the left side na ano siya? Ay, dira. So, dira, left side. Na. So,
Basta kay before nimo tahion ang zipper, naka kuan overlock, and then after that imo lang i-attach ang zipper. So after that, zipper na. You have to spread it, ana zipper. Sample gani ha. So this is my 8 inches zipper kay kuan man ni siya. Sa nga ni mini. Ana. Ano galaw ones ana siya. Zipper here. Na ipina diha, pin. Half size dahil ni half size. And then the other side. And what na nakuha na siya. Hindi, atong i-open. Atong i-open ang zipper. Na, then pin. Iwas. So, sa bigger size, katong sa full size dress, kuan lang. From waist down, kuan ra ang zipper, 8 inches or 6 inches. Ani siya. Taas naman ni. So, this zipper is too long. So, it should be here. Ana. From waist, mga 5 inches, 6, ana. So, mani siya, ana. Then, tahion na nimo. Tahi. Okay? So, diri sad sa upper part, pwede din mo siya sa mani nato. Pwede ana. Pwede ra. Pilo. Okay? Sa sarili lamang. Ito na siya. Well, if you see, sa cute na dress. Saan naman yung dress, ani? So, this is the zipper. Ngalay ko na oy. Wala siya nagtupong. Yeah, don't mind. So, after this one, so make sure that your side seam kanang, ano siya ha? Kanang matches, align with the other back. Kani, wala siya nag-align na naman eh. Wala siya nag-align. Why? It's not aligned. Nag-inat ni siya, nag-inat. Oh. In the original, okay, it should be aligned. So, these two here should be aligned. This one, I don't know. Maybe it got stretched. So, it should be here. Why is it so small? But never mind. Sige na lang. Okay. And then after that, after attaching the zipper, you can proceed now to close the seam below. This one here. So, muna na siya isunod mo. Close na the seam below this one. Okay. Sige na lang. I know the problem. Okay. It's okay. Okay lagi hapon. Just don't mind this kuan ha. Okay, so close the lower seam. So from here, 1 inch above the zippers kaning usay nga ni stitch, zipper teeth or sa iyang tahi kani. So 1 inch above, man siyang tahion from here so down. Okay. Ano sa di ay? First to suni ko aning inseam. Say tawag ani? Inseam. Sa sleeve. Okay. Sleeve. And I'll give you everything I am. Ito lang na siyang itopong. So, sa ako first I attach the kaning say nga na ni inseam sa sleeve. Then after this one, pwede na nimo i-fold kani siya dire sa cuff para sa garter na pod, okay? Or pwede sad Oh, yeah. So the sleeve, I attach the inseam first. The seam first and then the cuff. Okay. So later on, I'm going to put the garter or the elastic here and kanang leave some space here ay an open ko andi ay seam kani unstitched ba diri dapita kay diri mo lusot ang elastic. We're going to insert the elastic here later. So first, kani sa asidya. Ano man ni? Cute sa akong sanina, eh. And then here di ay here ako sa din si gitahian stitch here. I stitch here ay kanang na stitch for gathering because we're going to make a little gather here on the cuff para dili siya lisod inigtahi. You know what I mean? So dili siya ingana siya ba? So it's not difficult for you to sew this kanang curved part here. So put some stitch and then gather. See? If you put some stitch here, a stitch here, so you can easily fold the kanang saingan ani seam on the cuff ana siya. Okay? And then later stitch. But first you're going to attach this sleeve to the bodies. Hi, ka-cute good niya. Touch here. And then you have to sew na ini kahuman. And don't forget, overlock the seam, all the seam. Na. So yes, ana siya. And also here. La 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 la. Eto na siya. So this is it. So after you attach these pieces here, imo na siyang i-fold dire. Kanina pong kaning seam na po sa cuff kani palibot ana siya. So this time ana siya. Ano. So diba? It's easier for you to kanang stitch this part here if you have this kani dire nga kuan ka gather. Na. And don't forget to backstitch here or lock here to enforce whatever. Basta kay nakalock na siya diha. Na. Oh, na. Oh, diba? So it's very easy to sew. Okay, maglasyag follow raw that one. So now close this one here starting from this back neckline here, and then you have to stitch all the way around to the other side. Not siya, okay? Okay. The other one here, ano ba ni? So also on the cuff, kung saan sa butangan o garter. Then after that, you're going to kanang fold the garter out pa na ilock mo na po di mo garter. Okay, lock. That's so cute. Yeah. You can kanang you can hand stitch this one. Use your hands. At wala lang stitch with hands na lang. So this is it for the last part. Last part na siya. Okay. So the other sleeve has already have an elastic. Aray. Yeah. Hiso, giigang kapag ayaw hiso. Para ba kay ligo hiso na? Busy pa man si Alin hiso, oy. So there you go. Ano siya, guys? Yes, guys, lamantaan ni. So after you kanang done inserting the kaning kuan elastic sa ato sa ayuhon. Okay, pwede pa. So, siya 1 inch. I put 1 inch allowance here. I added some allowance for the elastic. Oops, enough. Okay. And then after that, you're going to close this one here. Make a zigzag stitch here. Okay. Right here on the corner, also here is this a small zigzag stitch. Para siya kanang secure ang iyahang elastic. Okay. So that's it. Tingnan na siya. And also on the bottom, on the cup. Oh, where's the elastic? So tingnan na siya, guys. And don't forget to remove the kaning unnecessary thread. So after this, after kanang doing the sleeve, diri na ka, diri. And also before attaching the eye, sewing the kaning lining to the kaning main, dapat kipilo na ni, okay? What I mean is that the hem should have kuana finish na. So you can do overlock stitch here on the kaning lining. Kaya nakatago man sana siya since the lining is kuan man sad hiding. So the sa sleeve, ano naman ni? Oh, where's my kuan? Wala man akong kuan diri. Oy. Okay, let's it's okay. Muna na siya, okay? So muna na siya. So don't forget to lock the stitch here, the elastic. And also here, ay naman ang ako ang kuan.